I'm Jerica, this is Let It Be Yoga, and welcome to the Hive. Today we're going to go over tabletop posture. It's a pretty basic yoga pose and you'll find it in most classes. So we're going to begin on all fours. So come, bring your hands down onto the mat. We'll go over our arms first. Arms, we want our wrists, elbows, and shoulders in a nice straight line, stacking one on top of the other. Our shoulders need to be externally rotated. To make sure we're doing that properly, we want to make sure our pointer fingers on our hands are at least parallel to one another, if not at least turned out slightly. We do not want them turned in slightly, because if we turn them in, we're internally rotating and we're not engaging properly. That's not what we want. So, hands on the mat, fingers nice and wide, pointer fingers parallel to one another, wrists, elbows, and shoulders stacked. Now our legs. We want to make sure our hips and our knees are also in a straight line, stacking one on top of the other. Gauge our core slightly, and there you have it, tabletop posture. From here, you can easily step back into plank pose or come into cat-cow. And there you have it, tabletop. If you like this video, hit the button and then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Or if you like full-length videos, go ahead and head on over to my website, letitbeyoga.com. Have a good day. Namaste.